Tin cap machine. The machine is equipped with a power on button and an emergency stop button, along with green and red control buttons to manage the movement of machine components. Take the tin containers along with their respective caps for the sealing process. Place the tin container with the cap properly positioned on its mouth onto the sealing platform. Then, press the red button to initiate the sealing cycle. As the platform rotates, the sealing process begins, allowing the cap to be tightly sealed onto the container. The tin cap is securely fixed onto the container. Continue placing capped tin containers one by one on the platform and press the red button to repeat the cycle. The machine performs continuous sealing, ensuring each container is sealed uniformly and securely. The containers are firmly sealed and ready for dispatch.